guys, Kate from Breakwater, and today I'm going to be teaching you 5 Canva hacks for beginners. Okay, so firstly you need to go and open up Canva. You can either access it online or if you have the app downloaded, just give it a click. Next we're going to click on create a design. I'm just going to choose an Instagram post. Now the great thing about Canva is that there are lots of free templates. I am on the free version, I'm not using the pro. Anything that says pro, unfortunately I cannot use. That doesn't matter, there's tons to choose from. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to pick a random one. Alright, the first tip I'm going to show you is how to create a shadow. All you have to do is click on your text, go to the effects and click on shadow. Now I'm going to change the color just so you can see a bit more of a shadow. I'm going to make it a dark gray because that flows really well with this design. The transparency will increase the darkness of it, so make it a little bit more. You can also change the direction of the shadow. And lastly, offset if you want it directly behind or you want more of a shadow effect. Tip number 2 is how to easily upload your elements onto Canva. So all you have to do is go find where your element is. I'm going to be using this little light bulb. Hold it and drag onto your Canva board. What this is going to do is it's going to upload into your Elements tab. There we go. It is on my canvas ready to use. Alternatively, if you find that doesn't work for you, you can go to upload and upload your file, and then you will be able to see it from there and upload it that way. Tip number 3 is how to group items. Sometimes you will perfectly align items but need to move them somewhere else on the page. So all you need to do is click on the items that you want, hold down the shift key, right click and say group. Now your items are perfectly spaced and you can move them anywhere around the page. You can also resize them if that is better for you. If ever you have done something and you made a mistake, all you have to do is click the Command and Z key and it will undo. Now I'm going to show you how to easily duplicate an item. So these stars are super cute. In order to duplicate them, all you need to do is click the Command and the D key. And there we go, duplicated little star. Our last tip for today is how to create a gradient background. All you need to do is go to the Elements tab. You can type in gradient and select from one of the free packages that you like, hold and drag it onto your canvas. Now sometimes these colors are not really going to work for you, so all you need to do is go onto edit image, scroll down and see all. Here's a whole bunch that you can choose from. Select the one that you like the most. You can also flip the gradient either horizontally, you can flip it vertically, see what works for you. Thanks so much for watching. If this added any value to you, please make sure to give this a like and make sure to subscribe for more videos to follow. Thanks guys.